Are you wondering if upgrading your projector to a video wall is the right choice for your ministry? I'm Andrew Catron with Code of Worship, and today we're going to answer that exact question. When we're talking about using your budget, it's really important if you're getting the most for your purchases. And when you're looking for a video solution, a lot of leaders tend to go towards a traditional projector for that reason. But the problem is a traditional projector has a lot of costly lamp replacements. And not only are they expensive, but when those lamps fail, they're going to fail during the worship service, which is exactly the kind of distractions we're always trying to avoid in ministry. So one huge plus for a video wall is there are no lamps to replace. And also with a service life of over 100,000 hours, the cost of service, hands down, is the best of any option that we'll consider. And speaking of maintenance, this is where video walls really shine. That one large display is actually made of a lot of smaller panels. So if there's ever an issue, we don't have to take the entire wall apart. We can service that one panel, which is a very straightforward service and allows us to get you back up and going before next Sunday. Video walls also offer great versatility. Not only can they show lyrics and videos, but they can also act as a dynamic background for the stage, which instantly allows you to change the look and the feel of the stage in an instant. And you can do so without the cost, the man hours, or the storage space of traditional set pieces. Another bonus for a video wall is because we're not projecting onto a screen, we can actually put that wall right behind people on stage, which is going to look amazing, but also keeps it really accessible if there ever is a need to service that wall. Now, as we're talking about video walls, there are a lot of details to choose from. And one of those details is referred to as pixel pitch. Pixel pitch refers to the amount of space from one pixel to another on the wall itself. This is really important because it has a lot to do with how close you are to that wall. So if you're standing very close to it, your eye can see a lot of detail. So you want those pixels closer together to show more of your video content. Whereas if you're further away from the wall, the eye can't see that much detail. So the right pixel pitch can space those out to make the good use of your budget when your congregation is not close to the wall at all. Another detail that we'll discuss is called the refresh rate. This has to do with how often all those pixels are refreshing to update a new frame for the video content you're trying to watch. This is really important for a good look in the room, but especially for your live stream. So the naked eye, when you're looking at a screen, we often can't tell that all those pixels are blinking on and off to update the image. But to a camera lens that captures content a lot faster than our eyes do, sometimes that can come across as weird lines across the display or weird flashing lights on the display that you didn't see in the room, which can really be distracting when you're trying to watch and hone into the message online. So we dial in just the right refresh rate so we have smooth and flicker-free performance on the live stream so your message has no distractions at all. So to answer the question we started off with, yes, a video wall is definitely the right choice to make when it comes time to replace your current projector. They're easily serviceable. It gives your creative team so many options to choose from when they're designing services every week, and you don't have to store any set pieces around the church anywhere. And there's also so many economical benefits to choosing a video wall. If you're curious to learn more, check out our website right now for some free resources available to help you and your ministry. And also, if you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to sit down to get to know you and your specific needs so that we can learn how to best support you in your ministry.